on the KTLA 5 Morning News.
I don't want to tell you how to think.
The community needs the police, and the police certainly need the input of the community.
I want to give you something to think about.
This is the driest season since 1977.
The Dunlin Report, weekdays at 4 on News Nation.
Log on to newsnationnow.com. Click on Channel Finder and enter your zip code to find your cable provider or streaming service that carries News Nation.
Common sense news
For common sense people. News Nation.
News Nation.
News Nation.
The 2021 Ford Explorer is the SUV of the future, built for everyone. An IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus with an available hybrid engine to go farther on every tank. Now get $1,000 on top of the value of your trade toward a new 21 Ford Explorer at your Southern California Ford dealers.
Hiya, I'm Hannah. Did you know that quality top-tier gas from Arco optimizes fuel economy?
That means we can do everything we love.
And I can drive around and finally be alone with my thoughts.
Arco, quality top-tier gas for less.
Now at 6, COVID-19 cases are climbing out of control with new infections doubling in just the last 10 days. How health officials are responding to the crisis.
And the start of the 2020 Olympics is less than 24 hours away, but COVID concerns there still plaguing the Summer Games. We're live with the latest.
And a family overcome by grief is renewing calls for justice. Their heartbreaking plea to catch a killer. Now on the KTLA 5 News at 6. Good evening. I'm Cher Calvin.
And I'm Rick Chambers, and tonight for Micah, coronavirus infections here in Los Angeles County are surging at an alarming rate.
Cases have doubled over the last 10 days, and hospitalizations are reaching levels not seen in months. County health officials reported nearly 2,800 new cases today, making it the second straight day with more than 2,000 confirmed infections. Hospitalizations have tripled in the past month, with 655 patients hospitalized countywide. COVID-19 deaths remain low, with an average of 4 a day. KTLA's Jean Kang looks at Pasadena's new mask mandate and how the new surge is impacting businesses.
Going out in public looks different in Pasadena, a new health order to mask up indoors. It's second nature for Annie Lasky, who lives in Los Angeles and works at the Pasadena Senior Center. She wears a mask to protect her 93-year-old father and others.
The alternative of getting someone that I care about sick or getting myself sick, I just hope everybody takes care and we get to stop wearing masks soon.
At 12:01 this morning, the mask mandate started. Pasadena's public health officer, Dr. Ying Go, urging everyone to wear a face covering regardless of vaccination status when you enter public indoor spaces at restaurants, bars, grocery and retail stores, movie theaters, gyms, and more.
We're really hoping to get voluntary compliance. This isn't about being punitive to people.
The last time we saw case rises this quickly as they are now was back in early December of last year, and that was during our very worst surge.
Restaurants hit hard, some forced to shut down. Broken Spanish in downtown LA closed for a while during the pandemic. Bottega Louie in West Hollywood temporarily closed Monday, saying on IG, out of an abundance of caution for the health and safety of our guests and staff, we've decided to close for a few days due to increasing COVID cases in the county. The Village Idiot in the Melrose area posted on Instagram, unfortunately, we've had a breakthrough case of COVID-19 with one of our fully vaccinated staff members. We will be closed the next few days until all of our employees are tested. Then today, this new message that they reopened at 2 o'clock this afternoon with a safe and healthy staff.
The faster we stop this, the faster I can get back to shopping and working and eating without a mask.
Right. That is the hope of a lot of people here. However, that will be in effect for quite a while until that's lifted. But the public health officer here in Pasadena also says that there are 20,000 residents over the age of 12 who have decided not to get that free COVID vaccine, which also puts some children who are not vaccinated at risk. That also highlights the need to wear a mask. Reporting live here in Pasadena, Jean Kang, KTLA 5 News.
And our thanks to Gene for that. We're also hearing that the Biden administration now putting more money behind efforts to get more more people vaccinated and tested. The White House announced $100 million is going to be spent for rural health clinics to do vaccine outreach. This is those areas all around the country that have low vaccination rates. $1.6 billion is going to go toward testing in the prisons, homeless shelters, and other shelters